Alcinous, why have you come before me?
Judas, called Maccabeus, has stirred rebellion in Judea. He defies your authority. He gathers men to himself and turns the people away from you.
Bring Nikanò before me. Nikanò. Approach.
Go to Judea. Crush all resistance feet without mercy.
It will be done, my king.
There is no need for bloodshed. We are here to speak, not to war.
Stand down. We withdraw now.
We have been misled. This ground is empty. The enemy is elsewhere.
Deliver me, Judas, and his host now!
Judas has departed. You stand on holy ground. Lower your voice.
I will lay this temple of God even with the ground, and in its place I will erect a temple to Bacchus.
O Lord, shew mercy on this house you have called by your name. Be avenged of this damned blasphemer, O Lord. Let not his proud hand stand against you. Judge him according to your works. Remember how the Lord delivered us in the past. Cast out fear. The battle is the Lord's, and victory shall be ours.
This is the lover of the brethren, who prayeth much for the people. Take this holy sword, a gift from God, with which thou shalt wound the adversaries.
O Lord of heaven, send a good angel before us, for a fear and dread unto them. The Lord has delivered our enemies into our hands.